At 25, you think you're doing okay, but the numbers, they say something else today. The reality check. 25 feels young, like time is on your side, but most are already falling behind the tide. Stat 1. Savings are almost non-existent. The average 25-year-old barely saves a dime, living paycheck to paycheck, every time. Stat 2. Debt is quietly growing. They owe more than they earn. It's silently deep. Loans and credit cards they struggle to keep. Why this is happening? Reason 1. Social media pressure. They see the lifestyle, the cars, the flex online, so they spend what they don't have just to shine. Reason 2. Bad spending habits. Small daily spending they ignore as fine, but little by little, it drains every line. Reason 3. No financial education. They went to school, but learned no cash game. So they enter real life, confused by the system's name. Stat 3. Most have little or no investments. While money sleeps in banks doing nothing at all, inflation quietly makes their wealth fall. Stat 4. Net worth is shockingly low. If you subtract what they owe from what they own, many are broke, they just don't show. The scary truth. Looking rich, but actually stressed inside. That's the reality most people hide. How to break out. Value part. Step 1. Track your money. If you don't track it, it slips away fast. Control your money. Take back your past. Step 2. Start investing early. Even small money can grow big with time. Start now early. That's the real prime. Step 3. Learn money skills. Your income grows when your knowledge expands. Financial power is in your hands. Step 4. Build multiple income. One income stream is never enough. Build more flows when things get tough. At 25, you're not late, but don't waste time. Fix your money moves, and you'll be fine.
Subscribe for more tips, like this glowing gold coin. Get yours by subscribing.